Let me show you how to reset all settings on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 to default. So first, you have to actually connect to a smartphone, and if you have a Samsung phone, as you see, if you go on your main settings, they will appear here. If you do not have a Samsung phone, you have to download the Galaxy Wearable app. Okay, and then in this app, basically, as you see over here in the Manage Connections tab over here, we have this reset function. So if you click this, not only they will unpair basically from your device, but also all the settings that you had basically configured for them will also get returned to the default one, so the factory state. So if you have some problems with this one, so simply press it. So again, it will unpair. You'll do like a factory reset on them, and also see after some time they will appear here, and you can connect to them like to a fresh device. Okay, good luck.